एरिया, पेरीमीटर, घेराव, मुहित 256 पार्ट्स, 2 बाइट्स 256 पार्ट्स, 256 हिस्से. A square has equal sides. मुरब्बा मैदान 1 unit. So fold along this line. This square will give 2 parts, 2 triangles. Fold along this line, join this corner with this, then you will get these 2 parts. So this part has been moved here, below one here, so it fits. On the other hand, square, 4 sides are equal. This is area, one side, the other side. So divide along this line, fold from here, join this and with this. So you will get these 2 parts, brown and this color. If you divide along this line, fold at the center, join this corner with this and the other corners, opposite corners, and then you have 2 parts here. So area is length multiplied by width. So here length and width are equal. So we have 1 unit, so this 1 and 2, 2 units. 2 units multiplied by 2 units, 4 units. Area of this, you see this is half of the square. So you divide this area with by 2, so you have area is half of the square. So if you can see here these 2 colored are half of the square, one half of the square is this, so area is one half here. Although here is triangle, here is a rectangle, area is about same. These areas are also same. Area square to triangle. So this is a square, 4 sides are equal. मुरब्बा जिसकी चारों सिमतें एक जैसी हैं. One side, the other side. So if you fold at these corners, then you will get this green triangle. Triangle means it has 3 corners and 3 angles. 1, 2, 3. So this is 1 unit. Each block is 1 unit. So this is square, 2 units in this direction, 2 units here, so 4 units. Triangle, you can see this is 1 unit, and if you rotate and place it here, it is also 1 unit. So these are 2 units, one half of this square. Similarly, इसी तरह इस साइड पे भी 1 यूनिट, इसको यहाँ से इसके ऊपर रखें तो ये भी 1 यूनिट पूरा हो जाएगा. In everyday life, you have a window in your room or house. So this is window's frame. maybe 8 centimeter here, and width is here. Inside is glass, so 107.5 multiplied by 98 centimeter, approximately 3.5, 3.5 feet multiplied by 3.2 feet. So standard in few countries is 4 feet multiplied by 4 feet or else. घर में जो खिड़की लगी हुई है आपकी, उसका जो फ्रेम है वो 8 सेंटीमीटर उसकी चौड़ाई है और इसके दरमियान में आपने शीशा लगाया हुआ है। एरिया रकबा लेंथ मल्टीप्लाइड बाय विड्थ 1 2 3 4 units. Each unit is 2 centimeters, so this is 4 centimeter. This side is also 4 centimeters, so here area is 16 square centimeter. Area of triangle red is 4 times 4 is 16 divided by 2, 8 square centimeter, and the green triangle is also 8 square centimeter. Sleeping area in daily life, where do you need plane? Sleeping to sleep, square to rectangle. If sides are not equal, two sides are equal, and two are longer is rectangle. So a mattress, the lengths are equal and the width this side is equal to this side. So width varies from 90 centimeter, approximately 6 git in Indian subcontinent. Length 200 centimeter, 2 meter, approximately 13.3 git. So here pictogram size is 5 feet 6 inches. Head till here 55 centimeter. From here till here is 44 centimeter. So the width is 39 till 45 centimeter. जगह जो वो घेरता है लेटने के लिए कोई भी इंसान, वो 40 से 50 सेंटीमीटर हो सकता है, इसीलिए मैट्रेस उससे डबल तकरीबन है. एवरी पर्सन नीड्स approximately 40 to 50 centimeter minimum place to lay down. So matter is approximately double of this. Length, width, perimeter, area 2 meter is length, 0.9 meter is width. So add length, width, so you have 5.8 meter. Perimeter, area is length multiplied by width. This is 2 times 0.9, 1.8 square meters. So in feet 6.5, 6.5 feet, 3, this is approximately 3 feet. So area is approximately 20 feet, square feet. 20, perimeter is 20 feet, area is also 19.37 square feet, so you can round about 20 square feet. Sleeping area, cot, a child needs approximately 74 centimeter. An adult needs 100 multiplied 200, 100 multiplied by 200 centimeter. Is left side sleeping beneficial if you have a stick reflex? This is a question from medicine that either you can sleep on one side or the other side. So measure this length with centimeter or inch, other with your hand, extended hand, to learn physically how long is this side. Other example is sitting area. For example, a chair. In every day you sit in the classroom or at home. So this chair, the leg is till here is 43.5 centimeter. This is normal, maybe 44 centimeter somewhere. This edge till this edge is 42 centimeter. This width of a wood piece is 6.5 centimeter. Here is 3.7 centimeter. Back to support your back is 45 centimeter high. So now how to calculate area? Sitting area is from this point till here is 39 centimeter. Back edge till front is 38.5 centimeter. You can also approximate 39 centimeter, then it could be a square. 39 multiplied by 39, you can also say 40 times 40, and then you can write here 1600 square centimeter. So this is back. This corner till here is 36 centimeter length. This is 3.5 centimeter from here to here. Here is width 3.2. This is from this white area, soft area is 29 centimeter. Area, square, rectangle. How to get 256 parts? You have a A0 size paper or page, and then fold long length. Once folded, you will get two A1 size sheets. Just see. So now you have two A1 equal parts. This is length here. Now divide the longest part into two parts. This is A2. This is also A2. So now you have 2 and 2, 4 parts. Now divide, fold from here, and then you will get 2A3. Now fold here, you will get A4 and A4. Now this is the longer side, fold here, and you will get A5, this A5 and A5. Divide or fold length A6, A6. Now fold here, A7, A7, fold here, A8, A8. So A0 till A8, once folded 2, then 4, A2, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256 parts. Then 256 cars you can write information, place data. Area, square, rectangle, 256 parts. International standard 216 A size paper. This is A size A0, starting from A0, 841 millimeter multiplied by 1189 millimeter in size. Divide by 2 in two parts. You have two parts, A1, and then next two parts of A here. Now you got 1/4. Then divide by again by 2, you will get 1/4 to 1/8. 1 divided by 2, then you have 1 divided by 2, and then you divide by 2. So this is equal to 1 by 2, and then 1 by 2. So equals 1/4. Divide by 1 by 2. So it will give you, divide this by 2, so you can write divide by 2 as a 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2. So now you have 1/8. Divide by 2 again, so you can rewrite similarly 1.1 divided by 8, then multiplied by 1 divided by 2. So 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. So 1/16th part. So you will get here 1/16th. And next step is 132 parts. And then next is 164. And the next one is 128 parts. And the next divided by 2, you have 256 parts. A4 folded to A5. The size of A series fit in C series envelopes of the same number. If you fold like here, A4 to A5, then C5 envelope, rotate this in this direction and it will fit here. जिस साइज का ए सीरीज का कागज होगा उसी को फोल्ड करें तो जो उसकी ए की साइज होगी उसी नंबर का सी एनवेलप में वो आ जाएगा. ISO paper format aspect ratio equals to the square root of 2. It means 1 divided by 4142. It makes it simple to enlarge or reduce a document. ISO paper B series, similarly B0, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7, B8, and correspondent C series measurements millimeter multiplied by millimeter. What is here? So A5 size is here and A4 size is here. So B5 is in between these two sizes. This is standard from this source. A visiting card used in everyday standard is 55 millimeter this side, 85 millimeter this side. In business and other activities, people have visiting cards to show present their personality. Area tree 256 parts. So starts from here, you have two parts, and then each part is divided into two parts, 2 and 2, 4, and each is again divided 1, 2, 1, 2. So 2, 2, 4, 6, and 8. In the next step, again 2, 4, 6, 8, and this side is also 8, 16 parts. 1 to 16 parts. In binary, you write 2 power 0 is 1, then 2, 4, 8. So here are 4 bits, and maximal states you can present 16. IP address is address like your home address, and it is in binary numbers. Internet Protocol version 4, it is stored into 32 bits, 4 bits, 4, 4, and 4. So this is the host, black is host, and the other is network. So they can locate your location, your address from where you are logging in, log on in networks. Since 1998, new version of protocol 6 is also used, which is 128 bits data. 4 bits is 1 byte. In 4 bit you can present 0 to 15, 16 states. You can save information. You can have personal cards to store name, addresses, and other information on the same card for statistics. So if there are 2 bytes, 4 bits and 4 bits, 2 bytes, so you have 16 times 16, 256 states, 0 to 255. So you can save 256 things or information in this information tree in computer systems.